Hello dear students, good morning once again. So in today's video again we will be studying about the general rules and regulations of narration, that is your direct and indirect speech. So let us begin this video. Now next is, if your reported speech is in the simple past tense. If it is in the simple past tense, so this will change into past perfect tense. How? Let's see. For an example, he said, comma, double inverted comma, Ravi worked hard, full stop, double inverted commas, close. Okay, see here dear students, still we were learning those reported verb which were having the object, but here we don't have any object. So he said will remain as it is said. He said that Ravi, this reported speech will change into past perfect tense because it is in the simple past tense. So Ravi had worked hard. So I hope you understood. Now let us take one example with the reported verb followed by an object. So see, he said to me, comma, double inverted comma, I saw him in the market, full stop, double inverted comma, close. So let's see here, said to is followed by an object. So said to will convert into told. He told me that he had, saw is the second form, now third form is seen. He had seen him in the market, okay, full stop. Then so this is the way of changing. For an example, if there is a negative statement, in the negative statement, how will you change? For an example, if I write here, he said to me, comma, double inverted comma, I did not see him in the market, in the market. Okay, so see here, your reported speech is in the negative sentence, means negative statement. So how will you change? He told me that he had not seen him in the market. So this is the way of changing this reported speech. If it is in the simple past, it will convert into past perfect tense. So let me erase this portion. Okay, now next one is, see, if your reported speech, okay, this portion also I will erase. Okay, see dear students, if your reported speech is in the past continuous tense, so how will you change? This past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. So how, let's see, let me write one example. He said to me, comma, double inverted commas, I was watching television. Full stop, double inverted comma, close. So you can see here, dear students, very easily that your reported speech is in the past continuous tense. So when you get your reported speech in the past continuous tense, then automatically this will change into past perfect continuous tense. So let's see how this he said will convert into told. He told me then that I was watching television. So this portion will change. He had been watching television. Okay. So this is the way of changing these tenses. Now most important things that is to be remembered by all of you is that when your reported speech, dear students, you must pay attention over here. Okay. So understand it and do not forget it. You know, you will come across such kind of questions in your board exams even. Okay, see, when your reported speech is in the past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense, okay, when your reported speech is in the past perfect tense or is in the past perfect continuous tense, so reported speech will remain as it is, means there will not be any change. Okay, dear students, these two tenses do not change. They remain as it is even in the direct speech and even in the indirect speech. So I hope you understood. Let us see how. For an example, if I write here, he said to Ria, comma, double inverted comma, I had recorded my video, full stop. So see, dear students, your reported speech had recorded, okay. So this, you can see your reported speech is in the past of perfect tense. So this will remain as it is. As it is means only this portion will change. He told Ria that he had recorded his video. So I hope you are understanding me. Similarly, if it is in the past perfect continuous tense, so let me erase this portion. If it is in the past perfect continuous tense, so this will also remain as it is. How? Let's see. If I write here, Rohit said to Ria, comma, double inverted comma, okay, I had been watching a movie for 3 hours. full stop, double inverted comma, close. So here, dear students, you can see your reported speech. This is in the past perfect continuous tense. So while changing this from direct to indirect speech, this reported speech means the tense, there will not be change in the tenses of reported speech. How? Let's see. Let us change this. See here, Rohit said will change into told. Rohit told Riya, then that in the place of I, he had been watching a movie for 3 hours. Okay, so this is the way of changing these tenses. So in this video we learn how to change all the tenses of present, and how to change all the tenses of past from direct to indirect speech. So I hope you might have understood each and every concept very clearly, and if you do not understand, so we will continue those portions when your physical classes will be conducted. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to share it with your friends. And even in the next video, we will be studying rest of the portion. Actually, dear students, as you know, narration is a vast subject, so it cannot be completed within a video. So in the next video, we will be completing rest of the portion.